Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today, we're in the community of Bridgeland, which is located in Cypher, Texas. The model we're going to be viewing is called the Vanner, and it is built by David Weekley. Now, the Vanner is a two-story, five-bedroom, four-bath home that's a little over 3,800 square feet, and the starting price is going to be at around the $750,000 range. Now, the one thing you do need to know about this community is that it is going to be eventually zoned to three different districts. Currently, it is zoned to Cypher ISD and Wall ISD, and pretty soon they're going to be building homes that's going to be located to Katy ISD. Now, this particular home is going to be located in Cypher, and the schools that your children will be attending is called Wells Elementary, Smith Middle School, and Bridgeland High School. Now, let's go ahead and continue this tour of this home, but let me introduce myself. My name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. And if you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell if you like the videos and to be notified of new weekly tours. Enjoy the tour and make sure you leave comments below to let me know what